Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. This podcast is for A1 learners, beginners in English. Today, we will talk about one of the most common topics in English, the weather. Let's listen to a short conversation between two friends.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm fine, thank you. The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it's sunny and warm. I love sunny days.
Me too. Yesterday was very cold and rainy.
Oh, yes. I don't like rainy days.
Same here. What's the weather like tomorrow?
I heard it will be cloudy, but not too cold.
That's good. I think I will go for a walk.
Great idea. Let's enjoy the nice weather.
Weather is a very popular topic in English. People often say things like,
It's sunny today. It's cold outside. The weather is nice.
it's an easy way to start a conversation. In many countries, people use the weather as a friendly topic when they meet. For example,
Good morning. Nice weather today, right?
here are some useful words and phrases from today's podcast. 1. Sunny.
When the sun is shining.
It's sunny today. Let's go outside.
2. Cloudy.
When the sky is full of clouds.
It's cloudy. I think it might rain.
3. Rainy.
When there is a lot of rain.
I don't like rainy days.
4. Cold, warm, hot.
Talking about temperature.
It's very cold in winter. It's warm in spring.
5. What's the weather like?
A common question to ask about the weather.
What's the weather like in your city today?
Thank you for listening to today's podcast. We talked about the weather, practiced some new words, and learned a useful question. What's the weather like? Now, I have a question for you. What's the weather like in your city today? Write your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.